Hey, you on the YouTubes. I'm gonna make you an offer you cannot refuse. I'm giving away a $20 Amazon gift card to one lucky person Monday, August 11th. If we can get at least 1,000 subscribers and 3 million views. In the comment section, type Lucky Rabbit Sweepstakes for your chance to win. And so, never say never. Say never, whatever you do. Never say never, my friend. If you believe that your dreams will come true, they come true in the end. Keep up your courage, don't ever despair. Take heart and then count to 10. Hope for the best, work for the rest, and never say never again.